Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a prawnfit fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish. Look at this. Is this a broomfish? Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a channelfish?
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a comet fish? Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish. Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a channelfish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Yeah!